how to install Microsoft Clarity on Shopify. So what you're gonna have to do is simply copy the Clarity tracking code from your dashboard, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to your themes section on Shopify, and then you're gonna have to simply click on edit code. So click on actions, then click on edit code, and then simply go to theme.liquid. Now here you're gonna have to scroll down until you find this tag, which is the head tag, and then simply paste the clarity tracking code just before the head tag here at the end, and then simply select save. So you're gonna have to save this, and then on the bottom left simply go to your settings. So you're gonna have to go to your Shopify settings, then simply go to checkout, and then simply scroll down to the additional script field, and again paste the clarity tracking code, and then simply click on save, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.